Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn fifth part of lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. And I hope you all must be revising all the 4 parts which we have learned earlier. Okay? Before I proceed further, I would like to have a recap what we have learned. Yes, we have learned about a weekly market. Okay? A weekly market is held on a particular day of the week. People, they go to the weekly market to buy their daily requirements. Okay? All the essential items are available under one roof. Okay? Then all the shops are on the temporary basis. Then people have a choice to buy their goods from any of the vendor. Okay, children? This we have learned in the previous class. Now we'll proceed further. Children, this time I have written the meaning of the words, okay? Because I feel the words are little bit difficult for you. Difficult in the sense new. It's difficult to understand. So I have written the meaning along with the new words so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay? So repeat after me and then I will explain you the meaning also. COMMUNITY, community. COMMUNITY, community. COMMUNITY, community. Means a group of people living in the same place. For example, in our residential society, there are many buildings and many people live there in the same place. Okay, that means we can call it as a community. Okay, next word, caste. CASTE, caste. CASTE, caste. CASTE, caste. Means any class or group of people. Folk, FOLK, folk. FOLK, folk. FOLK, folk. Means people. Okay. Children, in this word, L is silent. Okay. And the meaning is folk means people. Yes. Next word, DEITY, DEITY, DEITY. DEITY, DEITY. DEITY, deity. Means God or goddess. Next word, reverence. REVERENCE, reverence. REVERENCE, reverence. REVERENCE, reverence. Means deep respect for someone. We can say deep respect for people and deep respect for God also. Okay. Pilgrimage. 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 Means long journey to a holy place. Okay, long journey to a holy place. Children, we have many places, means many pilgrimage places in our country. For example, Shirdi, Tirupati Balaji, Vaishnav Devi and so on. People go to the pilgrimage places for seeking blessings of God. Okay. Travel. 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 Means move from one place to another. Okay. People can move from one place to another by using vehicles such as buses, rickshaw, then trains. Okay. Then goods are also carried from one place to another by using vehicles. Okay. Next word, invent. I-N-V-E-N-T, invent. I-N-V-E-N-T, invent. I-N-V-E-N-T, invent. Means to produce or create. Okay, to produce or create means to make something. For example, telephone, clock, aeroplane, computer, or electric bulb, and so on. Okay, many scientists, they have invented many things. Okay, children. Technology. 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 Technology means to produce goods by machines. Okay, to produce goods by machines. For example, television, mobile, washing machines. No, we use different kinds of gadgets. Okay, so these are the examples of technology. Yes. Development. 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 Development means growth. Okay. For example, if a child learns to speak or to write or to walk or talk, okay, that means that child is growing, we say. Okay, or a development is taking place in that child. Okay, that means development means what? Growth. Okay. Now we are going to learn about animal markets. In the previous class, we have learned about weekly markets. Okay. People belonging to various castes and communities attend the fairs of folk deities of masses in Maharashtra with reverence. Means, in Maharashtra, many villages conduct fairs of folk deities. Means, they conduct fairs of village deity, that is Grama Devata, or they conduct fairs of family deities, that is Kula Devata. Okay, so in Maharashtra, many villages, they conduct fairs of folk deities, and for that a large number of people, okay, or many people belonging to various castes and communities attain such kinds of folk deities, means such kinds of fairs of folk deities with respect. Okay, people belonging to various castes and communities, they attend the fairs of folk deities with respect. Okay. Many things related to people's living, such as different types of markets, are also a part of these fairs. Okay, means in these fairs there are different types of markets, such as food stalls. Different food stalls are there. Different sweet market is also there. Then different rides are also there for children. Different toy market. Then different household material. Okay. So all these kinds of material, all these kinds of items, people they buy from the fairs. Okay. So that means different types of markets are also a part of these fairs. Okay. Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district are places of pilgrimage. Okay, these two places are known as places of pilgrimage. Now, people visit to the pilgrimage places for seeking blessings of God. Okay, they are, means these two places are also well known for their donkey markets. Okay, these two places, which are the two places? Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district. These are the two places of pilgrimage also, and these two places are well known for their donkey markets also. Yes. At Malegaon, another place of pilgrimage in Nanded district, a market is held for donkeys and horses. Okay, so some places they become famous because of such kinds of markets. Okay, means some places become famous because of some animal markets like donkey market or horse market, like that. Okay, children. See, this is the donkey market from Jezuri. Okay. Horse market. This is horse market from Malegaon. This is another horse market from Yevla. Okay. The people, those who are totally dependent on such kinds of markets, they bring their animals to sell them in the market and they can earn money. Okay. So by selling these animals, they can earn money and they can survive their life. Okay. They can use these animals for transportation also. Okay, they can carry their goods from one place to another by using these animals. Okay, clear, children? That means they can use these animals for transportation also, and they can sell these animals in the market to earn money. Okay, now we are going to see means of transport. In ancient times, people used to walk on foot to travel from one place to another. Okay, people used to walk on foot, means they used to go by walking. Okay, from place to one place to another place. When wheel was invented, people began to travel by cart. Okay, why people used to go by walking? Because that time vehicles were not invented. Okay, that time vehicles were not invented, that is why people used to go by walking. But when wheel was invented, people began to travel by cart. Okay, they began to travel by carts such as bullock carts and horse cart. Okay, with the development of science and technology, different modes of transports were invented. Okay, see, with the development of science and technology, what is technology? Technology means to produce or to create goods with the help of machinery. Okay, so people started making goods by using science and technology, and different mode of transport were invented such as bicycle, rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter, car, bus, train. Okay, all these different modes of transport were invented. Clear, children? See, these are the means of transport. Car, we can use such kinds of means of transport. Car, plane, helicopter, motorbike, bicycle, van, bus, taxi, lorry, and so on. Okay. See, these are all different means of transport. The means of transport allowed people as well as goods to be carried from one place to another in shortest time. Okay, means what? People can move from one place to another. They can go from one place to another in shortest time. They can reach on time, or we can say they can reach before time by using means of transport. Okay, and people, that means we can carry goods also, or the goods are carried from one place to another by using such kinds of means of transport. Yes, we choose transport on the basis of the distance to be traveled, cost of travel, and time required. That means if we want to go to the nearby market, then we can use auto rickshaw, or we can go by two-wheeler also. Okay, but if we want to go to our native place, then we may choose going by bus or train. Yes, now cost of travel means we need to think about the cost of travel also. If the ticket is expensive or costly, then we need to think about that, whether we can pay that much amount or not. Yes, then in that case people would prefer going by cheaper mode of transport. Okay, and that saves our money. Okay. Time required. In case any emergency arise, then we need to reach on time. Yes. So people would prefer going by aeroplane because that saves our time. Yes. Understood? So we choose transport on the basis of the distance to be traveled, cost of travel and time required. There are three main means of transport. They are land transport, air transport and water transport. Okay children? There are three means of transport such as land transport, air transport and water transport. Okay? Yes. Now the remaining part we are going to learn in the next class. Okay. Till then keep revising. Thank you. Bye. Sai Ram.